Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing very well. Welcome back to your grammar class. This is day 2 of your chapter Adjectives. In previous class, we have discussed about meaning of adjectives and its three types of adjectives, which are quality adjective, quantity adjective, and number adjectives. Let's continue with demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives क्या हैं? These words point out which person or thing is meant. ये persons और things को point out करते हैं. For example, this book is mine. That book is yours. Here, this and that are demonstrative adjectives. This is used for near things, and that is used for things which are far away. Next is interrogative adjectives. These words are used with nouns. ये noun के साथ use होते हैं like where, when, what, which, whose, etc. And the main objective of these adjectives are to ask question और इनको question को ask करने के लिए use किया जाता है. For example, when shall you reach home? Which book that you lost? Whose pen are you using? What show are you watching? Here, book, pen, show, all these are nouns, and the adjectives which are using here to ask question are which, whose, and what. Next is possessive adjectives. These words show ownership or possession. ये words ownership या possession को show करते हैं like my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Look at the sentence examples. That bag belongs to Neil. Try using this paintbrush in art class. I really like those shoes. These flowers are lovely. Here the words that, this, those, and these are possessive adjectives because they are showing ownership on persons or thing like bag, paintbrush, shoes, and flowers as well. So it's all about the chapter of adjectives. Let's do on page number 65, 66, and 67 for practice work. Let's start with part E. You have to make sentences using each of the demonstrative adjectives. आपको एक demonstrative adjective दिया गया है. इनसे आपने दो दो sentences बनाने हैं. The first one is this. The answer will be this is Simon's shirt. This shirt belongs to Simon. Next is that. Ria has eaten that food. That is the food Ria has eaten. Next is those. Those are Amit's hats. Those are the hats Amit has. Next is these. These are John's books. These books belongs to John. Next is in part F, you have to tick the correct options from the bracket. Dash college campus is vast. This or these? This college. I have read this or those books. Those books. My books are lying on that or those table. That table. Who bought these? This crackers. These crackers. Next is part H. You have to underline the possessive adjective and write in space provided. आपको यहाँ पे possessive adjective को underline करना है और आपकी बुक में जो इसके सामने space दिया गया है उसमें उसको write करना है. Let's start with first sentence. This is my pen. The answer is my. Next is his car is outside. His. Are your gloves warm? Your. His house is near the school. His. These are their books. The answer is their. In part I, you have to choose the right possessive adjectives. आपको ब्रैकेट में दो possessive adjectives दिए गए हैं. आपको सेंटेंस के अकॉर्डिंग चूज करना है कि कौन सा उसमें फिट बैठता है. द फर्स्ट इज आई हैव अ कैट. इट्स और हर नेम इज सैंथी. यहाँ पे कैट की बात हो रही है. ये नाउन है लेकिन ये एक एनिमल है, सो इसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे इट्स. इट्स नेम इज सैंथी. नेक्स्ट इज रिया रिस्पेक्ट्स हिज और हर ग्रैंडफादर. हर ग्रैंडफादर. नेक्स्ट इज टू सिस्टर्स हैव नॉट completed are or their assignments. Their assignments. Okay, students, it's all about your chapter adjectives, which we have completed today. I hope you get it very well. It's your homework. You have to do your own. The remaining parts of E, F, H, and I on page number 65, 66, and 67 in your grammar book very neatly. Thank you. Have a great day.